And Pop Century is on the Skyliner. The kiddie pool. And that's where when you book here at Pop Century, you could book preferred room. What that means is location, location, location. Near the Skyliner, near the quick service dining, arcade, things like that. Of course, it costs a little more because you're paying, again, for convenience. But that's how it rolls with a yo-yo. And then there's the Skyliner. So we're gonna go get on the Skyliner and take it to Riviera. I wanna have lunch. I love the food, quick service at Riviera. Here we go. Good morning. When, yes, sir. Thank you. Here we go. And we're off on the Skyliner. We're going to take the Skyliner over to Riviera. There's the Art of Innovation. So they have family suites over there, and then that's also where the famous Little Mermaid rooms are.
Flight on Earth.
Little Mermaid rooms. There's Ariel. There's the Riviera. Great building.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
So the Caribbean is the hub.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying with us. Permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Very much.
Hey, thank you. So now there's signs everywhere, and you just follow the sign for where you're wanting to go. And there's the sign, Riviera Epcot. Just follow the signs for where you want to go. We're wanting to go to Riviera, so we go this way.
This one will stop for you to go in safely.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados, supervisen a sus niños y absténganse de fumar en la cabina. Gracias.
We just moved to another bucket, and here we go. It's a pretty quick line because it's ever moving. The only time it really takes a minute is if, you know, there's one of the scooters that has to get off, or a lot of people have strollers, and it takes a minute. Wish us luck. We're coming to check out the quick service. It's the best on property. Last time I was here, we're going to check it out and see if it still is. It's over there. You're very close if you stay at the Caribbean. So here's your sign. just gonna walk on over. We're gonna stand under the bucket. The bucket go over us.